Long ago, in the prosperous kingdom of Ayodhya, Prince Ram was exiled to the forest for 14 years. His devoted wife Sita and loyal brother Lakshman chose to accompany him. They lived peacefully in the wilderness until fate took a cruel turn. Deep inside the forest, Ram, Sita, and Lakshman build a small hut and live in peace.
Have you come across AI mythology and history movie channels like RK Guru, Bible in Nutshell, Mr. Perfect, Bhakti Wood, and many others? These creators are producing stunning high-definition AI-generated movie and racking up millions of views. In today's tutorial, I will show you the easiest way to create similar movies using mostly free AI tools. However, even missing a small detail can impact your results. So make sure to follow along closely until the very end. With that being said, let's dive right in. The first part, we are going to create the story with dialogues. For this, I'm going to take the first prompt. Well, if you want this prompt document which has got everything starting from the camera angles to motion types and the master prompts, please type prompt in the comment section so that I can send it across. Now take the first prompt and go to ChatGPT and paste the first prompt. Now here, this is how the prompt goes. Please write the story. Here you'll have to give the story in inverted comma. Ram, okay, Ram Sita's Banvas, okay, I am giving it in Hindi. Now in a short, within how many words, if you want to make it 1500 words or 5000 words, you give that, but since I am making a trailer, I will make 200 words, okay, with dialogues for each main character. Now with dialogue, this one you don't give for the first one, okay, you just give with story narration. So as you can see, I have got the complete story narration as well as some dialogue. So what all I need to do is I need to copy this and paste it somewhere. Now this is the second prompt. Second prompt is very important for creating consistent character. What does this prompt say? See, give me the main characters of the story. Please mention each character's appearance, looks, royal wearing and expression. Now here instead of royal wearing, I will give wearing details. So here they are giving the entire detail of how is the hair, how does he look, his attire, his expression for all the characters. So now my characters are built. Now first what we will do is we will create the characters, okay. All I need is I need to copy this. I am using Leonardo AI. Now this is Leonardo AI. I will go to image creation option. Here all I need to do is I need to paste the prompt. Okay, so give comma, and here there are two options to select, either phonics model or FluxDev model. First I will try with phonics. Keeping phonics model on, prompt enhancement should be auto. Remaining other things will be default. For you, 4 options only. If you are using free account, there is no option. It will not allow you to choose any other number of images. I am choosing 2, and 16:9 is the dimension which you'll have to choose and hit generate. Now as you can see, they have created these 2 images. Okay, out of these 2 I pretend like this one. Okay, so if you like it, then you can upscale it if you have a paid version only. Okay? So this way you will have to create all the characters. Okay, so let me take the second character. So all my characters are ready. Now let's move forward to create the image prompts. Now before going to create the image prompt, I want to show you some camera angles which are very important to understand and to get the best possible imageries, and then some motion types or shot types to generate correct type of video out of these images. Different camera motions, camera movements and shot angle. So 3 things we are going to focus on. Okay, first I will write this, a simple prompt. Okay, suppose a man is walking through a forest, a legendary warrior. Okay, now here I'm going to keep widescreen ratio and generate. Now you see they have given 4 different images, but here we are not going to get a distinct understanding of where the camera is situated. It is kind of a neutral image. Now we are going to add some camera angles here. See, this is a kind of neutral image, as if the camera is right behind this person. Okay, now let us see how to modify this. I will use my first camera angle as low angle image of a man in walking through forest, a legendary warrior. Okay, and then hit generate. Now see how these images turn out to be. This is low angle. It appears as if the camera is at the or is kept on the ground behind someone. Okay, we try to use these sort of angles when the character is walking and we are focusing on that character from its back. The next angle is close up shot, close up of a man who is walking in the forest, a legendary warrior. Okay, these sort of shots we use when we are trying to capture someone's facial expression. Camera will come close to that person. Okay, so these are close up shots. It is basically used to capture the facial expression, or when somebody is talking. If we want to create a talking avatar or make a cinematic video, then in that case you can very well see it is seeming that the camera is coming close to this person. Now establish or static shot. Now I will give establish legendary warrior in a forest. Now I have given established shot. Okay, so here basically two people are talking, so we want to focus on the middle point of that shot, and we want to capture them without much of movement. This is called established shot or static shot. Now let us see these kind of images where two characters are interacting with each other, standing close and talking to each other. These sort of scenes are ideally created in this established shot. With that, let us see the next shot. Okay, next shot is high angle shot. Okay, I will give, instead of establish, I will give high angle shot, the prompt for your trailers or films. Okay, now this is just an example. Please pay attention. Then hit generate. So this is high angle shot. You will see it seems that the camera is coming from the top. Okay, it is from the top. Look, I have just used the same prompt with high angle shot. You can see the difference. This is high angle shot where it is seeming that the camera is at the top. Over the shoulder shot. So I will write over the shoulder shot of an image of short image of a man. I will remaining part I will keep same, walking through the forest, to make you understand. Okay, ideally over the shoulder shots come when you want to show the person is standing on top of a mountain. Now, point of view shot, short image of a man. So I have given this short explanation, and let's see how the shot comes out to be. I am 100% sure you have not heard about this shot, which is Dutch angle shot, where the camera angle is from one corner, and to add motion in the image we use Dutch angle shot. Okay, this is used to create motion. If I try to show the person is on motion, moving forward, then you supposed to use this. With AI. With that being said, let us see macro angle. Macro angle. Okay, so I will give macro angle of a short image of a man bowing arrow when you're trying to focus very close to a face. Okay. And final shot is aerial shot. Any trailer of such movies starts with an aerial shot, which is basically a drone shot. Now in this step we are going to create the image prompts. I will be copying the prompt and go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Now how does this prompt go? Also give me prompts for each line of story. Create realistic cinematic images and also mention image style, camera shot time. Create the same consistent character. I have to give these details. Now you will see, once you give this prompt, you will be getting the camera angles which we have already discussed, the motion type, and we would be getting the prompts as well. Okay, these are my image prompts. See, they have given scene by scene prompt. Again, I will head back to Leonardo AI. I will be showing two processes to generate the prompt. See, this is just a matter of click. So now I will go to image creation option. Here I will simply paste the first prompt, and at the end I will paste these three things. Now here again phonics model, other settings I will not change at this moment. I will hit generate. This is one process. So here you will have to choose either of these two. You can go ahead and download it from this download button, and then we will be creating videos out of it. So this is my second image. Now to create the third image, I will show the next option. Okay, next process is very simple. Now go to this flow state option. This is one of the best options as of now. Okay, now here you will have to just paste the prompt. See properly, just paste the prompt. Okay, now here you can check. We have four options. One is vibe. You can specify it. Let's suppose I am taking this long exposure one or pro photo one. Okay, that's the vibe I want. Lighting, you can choose the lighting what you want. I want golden. Next is shot type. Shot type I will not specify here. You have all the kind of shot types which I have said. See, low angle, in motion, high angle, and here you can choose any of the color things. I am choosing autumn. Here hit generate. Just make sure you select this 16:9 and then hit generate. I have made a mistake. Here the best part is in flow state, you can right now use flow state for free. They will continue creating images. So one or the other will be suitable for you. So I liked this image, so I will go ahead and download it here. Now as you can see, I have generated all the images, partly with the help of classic mode, partly with the help of flow state. Okay, so you'll have to create the images. Now let us move forward to create the videos. In creating video, again I will take the help of this prompt. So it's very important for you to get this prompt. Give me the detailed video creation prompts for each second of the story. So as you can see, ChatGPT is giving scene by scene prompt. Now let us go to the next software. I would be using two softwares once again. One is Halio AI, one is Kling AI. I personally use Kling AI. Go to Halio AI first. 3 days you can generate for free. So I will sign in. So go to create option. Here we will be going for image to video option. The perfection is really good for Halio AI. So I will take this scene, and here I will be explaining the motion actually. So I will go to the video scene by scene option, camera movement. Just copy these three things and hit generate. Let us move forward to Kling AI. Go to AI videos and here go to frames. Now go to the second option. I will take the same image because every scene I will be making one video. So I will just take camera type and motion type. So I have given the entire prompt here, and here you can take professional mode or standard mode, but for free professional mode won't be available. I'm going to take 5 seconds and let's create it. And the third software which I am going to explore is Runway ML. You can search for generative session. So you'll go to generative session here. So select the image, this fighting scene. Let me upload this image and let me head back to my prompt section. So I'll be pasting the prompt here. You will have to take the second. Let me take 10 seconds and generate. As I told you, here camera movement. When I provide camera movement, then the characters do not move much. Okay, the camera itself moves. Anyway, you can download it. That way Kling AI gives better video. and I have also shown you how to transform one video into an image into a video. Now the last thing which I am left up with is how to put lip sync. That also we would be doing here. So let me get one dialogue. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to go to lip sync option. Here you can either give an MP4 file or a MOV file. So I'll go for MP4 file only. Okay. So what I will do is, okay, I will like drop the video which I have just downloaded now. Now I will upload this one, and here you can either upload the audio or the speech. Now maximum 20 MB 30 seconds. Otherwise you can create the speech here. So I would be going for text to speech only. Now here I will go for male voice. Okay, and we'll have to take one voice. Let's suppose I'll take this. Now speech rate at the bottom you can choose 1x is okay, or you can make it 1.1x. Here from this also directly you can do lip sync. Okay, and then you can generate. It will take only 5 credits. So this is how you can create lip sync animation also in here.
Oh, pious lady, grant me alms. How can a devotee refuse to serve a sage properly?
Now I will show you some other options as well. You can go to DID, get free trial, but I will be logging in because I am again using a paid version for myself. You can use the free version, but free version will get big watermarks for DID. So if you want to go for free version, Kling is a lot better, or else you can use Hagen. Okay, so here you go to create video option. Here go to create with photo. From here I will have to upload one pic. Here again 2 options. If you go to script option, here you have 2 options. One is text, you can give the text prompt, or else you can upload an audio. Let me just give a text prompt again here. So you can choose from here. If you want you can go by age, okay, or gender. I'll go by gender, female gender. I think I will go for this voice, and I will listen to the voice from here and generate video. You'll have to give a name, and let's go. Okay, now you will play and see. And if you like it, go ahead and download from bottom right hand side download button.
Please, holy sage, accept these offerings. But step forward, I cannot cross this line. Ram, look at that golden deer. Please catch it for me.
Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do how to create transformation video. Now I am going to take 2 frames here. Okay, now go to this frames option and click here, and in the first frame I will be taking this image. I'll be taking this picture of Ravana, who is in disguise of a sage, and in the end frame I'm going to take this image, who has got transformed into this. Now I want to show this transformation. Now all these how have I made these images? Those prompts are already there in this document. As I'm telling you, if you're absolute amateur, please claim this document by typing prompt in the command. Please bear with me, I might take a little time to send you the downloadable file. Well, I have created a prompt for video for this particular transformation video. Now let me see how does that work. Okay, then this will be a kind of transformation from this to this, and then I will be taking 10 seconds here because it's going to be a bit longer shot, and remaining other things will remain same, and hit generate. Since it is a transformation video, it takes a bit longer time. Patience is the key here, but I can assure you that the output which I would be getting would be absolutely top notch, and there won't be any glitch as such. You can see meanwhile the previous videos where I have created this, where Sita, Ram and Lakshman are moving out of Ayodhya, and I have created the aerial shot of Ayodhya Nagari, so Ayodhya kingdom. So you can create these sort of shots easily with Kling AI. I want to give one effect. Here I want to give an effect. So how should I do that? I will go to the sticker option. Here let me give fire and let me check. Now here there are many fire options. I will take this one. I will just give it here. I will just make it little shorter. Cannot be stopped suddenly, so I will just make sure that it is duplicated. Okay, so I will just bring it here, and then how should you duplicate this? Just select somewhere outside, then press Alt and then select this and just push it up. It will be duplicated. Now the duplicated one I will bring here, and then you can go to video and just make this way so that it kind of merges. Now let's check how is it looking from the beginning. Now I'm going to show you two more important things. One is image manipulations. Now see one thing. What if there is one particular scene for which you could not make an image? Okay, let's suppose I want to make this image where Ram and Sita is nagging for the golden deer. Okay, now I have given a prompt. I will leave that prompt in the prompt box for sure, but I have got this image which I don't like. Okay, I tried to get, initially I got this image and this image. Now what I'll do is I will have to manipulate this, right? So I'm going to download all these images. I'm going to manipulate it. So what first thing for image manipulation, I suggest Canva Pro. So go to Canva Pro and upload. Now I will take first this image. Okay, and here first thing is go to edit and remove that extra hand which is there. Okay, so go to edit and magic erase and reduce the size, and then just take this part, carefully select it and erase. Like this, any extra limb if you are having, that can be erased. Okay, now cross it. Simple. Now next is I will have to remove this fellow and I'll have to add Ram. Okay, now first you'll have to select one image where Ram is there. Now I want this Ram to be here. Okay, so I'll take this Ram's image. So I will take the Ram's image. So I'll go to edit and magic grab. I will just grab this image along with this archery. Now this is separated. Okay, this image and edit, magic grab, delete, and here I'll have to say right click and set it as background, and here I'll have to place my RAM. Download it in PNG format. Now this picture quality I don't at all like, so what I'll do, I will add a new page. I will go to apps, I will go to upscale, image upscaler. I'll go to this option, I'll go to choose file, and I'll be choosing that file which I've just got. Okay, so I will go to 8x upscale. Now for 8x upscale you need Pro version. Now add to design, right click, set it as background. Now as you can see, it is much more clearer. So what I'll do is I will make it more vibrant by going to edit, and you can give fresco filter or arrow filter or Luna filter. Go to share option, go to PNG, select the page, current page, done, and download. This is my final image. Now I can convert this to video. So just take all the narrative part. Now you'll have to select one voiceover artist from here. I will select Rand's voice and generate speech. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment.
Long ago in the prosperous kingdom of Ayodhya, Prince Ram was exiled to the forest for 14 years. His devoted wife Sita and loyal brother Lakshman chose to accompany him. They lived peacefully in the wilderness until fate took a cruel turn. Deep inside the forest, Ram, Sita, and Lakshman build a small hut and live in peace. Days pass and an evil eye falls upon Sita. Ravana, the mighty king of Lanka, desires her beauty. A mysterious golden deer appears near their hut.
Ram, look at that golden deer. Please catch it for me.
Ram follows the deer, which vanishes. Suddenly, a cry for help echoes.
Lakshman, Ram is in trouble. Go help him.
But brother told me not to leave you alone. Sparkling like gold, reluctantly Kama Lakshman draws a protective Lakshman Rekha and leaves. At that moment, Ravana, disguised as a sage, arrives.
Oh, pious lady, grant me alms.
Please, holy sage, accept these offerings. But step forward, I cannot cross this line.
How can a devotee refuse to serve a sage properly?
Sita, bound by her values, steps out of the Lakshman Rekha. Instantly, Ravana sheds his disguise and reveals his true form. Ravana grabs Sita and lifts her into his flying chariot. Soaring towards Lanka, Jatayu strikes the chariot with his powerful talons, causing it to shake violently. Ravana, enraged, draws his sword. Jatayu slashes Ravana with his mighty wings, breaking parts of the chariot. Sita's hope rises, but Ravana, in fury, swings his sword and strikes Jatayu's wings. Ram's quest for Sita's rescue had begun. The battle between good and evil was inevitable.
So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.